Hello, and welcome to another video by RepairPartsPlus. For beginners, loved by experts. We are here to provide high quality and beginner-friendly device repair kits. Let's get started. In a previous video, you found your model number. Now, let's find which part you need to fix your device. Let's take a look. If your glass is cracked, or you're having issues with your touchscreen, that's almost always a digitizer issue. However, if your display is damaged, and there are blue, green, or other colored lines across it, you will need to replace your LCD. Now that you know what parts you need, let's take a look at the parts, just to make sure that you know what you're looking for. First up is the Glass Touch Digitizer. Fairly easy to recognize, just a simple glass screen. Next up is the LCD assembly with a pre-installed Glass Touch Digitizer. The black panel behind the screen is how you know that this is an LCD. Thank you for watching. We hope that this was helpful. Check out our store on Amazon today.